my goodness. Look what Santa brought. Oh my goodness, what a mess he made.
Look at this.
Oh. Okay, take the presents out. Is it unplugged, honey?
I can't go because
look,
it's mine.
Oh.
Look at that one.
Look at mine.
There's another G-Pop.
I don't think they noticed the mess Santa left on the floor.
Mommy.
Look at what a mess Santa left on the floor. He must have brought snow from the North Pole on his boots.
Oh, yeah. It came on the house.
Yes, it came in the house. Oh, he's going potty. Okay, go potty.